How to find a GameStop near you. You can find a GameStop store near you using the following methods. 1. GameStop official store locator. Visit the GameStop store locator, https://www.gamestop.com/stores. Enter your city and state, or zip code. It will show you the nearest GameStop locations along with store hours and contact details. 2. Google Maps. Use Google Maps, https://local.google.com, to search for GameStop near your current location. 3. Third-party locator websites. Visit websites like Finding Hours, https://findinghours.com/gamestop-near-me, or Locations Hours Near Me, https://locationshours.anyarm.com/gamestop, to find GameStop stores based on your zip code or city. Happy gaming! FYI, what can Red Lion Data do? Red Lion Data is a provider of location data for the retail industry. They offer complete store locations for the USA and Canada. Whether you need data for business analysis, mapping, or competitive insights, Red Lion Data has you covered. For more information, you can visit their website here, https://www.redliondata.com.